and they're hoping the weather will help them out.
And Steve Anderson can fill us in.
No, he's shaking his head.
No.
No. I guess it's not a laughing matter, but seriously, the weather in western Colorado, as much as it is here around the Denver metro area, and that is we don't have much moisture in the air. There's going to be a lot of sunshine. Temperatures in the west will be even hotter than in eastern Colorado today. We had a front come through last night.
We
Cooled
did.
things down. You may have noticed about the time you were complaining about how warm the evening was, whoosh, came the air through and cooled things down nicely. And that's going to keep the temperature down to a comfortable level today. Outside now, we take a look from Copter 4 and out on some farmland on the eastern plains, the way things look. 75 right now, the temperature. Comfortable indeed. 56 the low this morning. 36% relative humidity. We do have an east wind at about 7 miles an hour. The barometer now is falling, 30.31. Air quality index number is 26, and that, of course, is well down into the good category. Watering, or make that 3/4 of an inch is what you need to put on your yard today. If it's your day, a diamond watering day. Now our temperatures about 10 degrees cooler at this time than at the same time yesterday. 60s in many areas to the west. Jim Howes in Elk Falls reporting 70 degrees. And all 70s out here along the Front Range and out into the eastern plains. 75 in Brighton, Fort Lupton at the same temperature. One of the warmer spots out way to the east. Sterling at 78 in Woodrow, that same temperature. Now here's what we have in the satellite loop. This is yesterday morning's picture, and basically clear over Colorado. We go 24 hours worth, about up to the current time. Nothing happening here, but we'll set it in motion one more time. We'll watch this area. There's a low pressure system spinning around like this up across the upper Midwest region, bringing some much needed rain there, and that particular low is bringing a little cooler air up to this region as well. But here in Colorado, the front came through, really had very little effect. Skies are still clear, but with high pressure at the surface, we're keeping a lot of that moisture out. And as far as rainfall goes around the country, this comma-shaped cloud, we call that a comma cloud, around the center of the low, and the cold front down to the south, giving some showers and some thunderstorms now to portions of Minnesota and Iowa. Also, eastern Kansas getting some thunderstorms this morning, and then, of course, spread all across the southeast in this very warm, humid air. Jet stream pattern. This is what it's doing. We're getting this little trough of low pressure. This, of course, is a low pressure system at the surface, but that circulation counterclockwise goes way up into the atmosphere, and so you get a circulation something like this, counterclockwise all the way around, and that's why all the active weather is in this area. We're in this ridge of high pressure back here. There's also a high at the surface here. Showers and thunderstorms in the southwest, more up to the northwest, and then over this broad area of the east around several frontal systems, a cold front down into the southeast. 70s and 80s in this area. That's where the trough of low pressure is. That's a forecast for tomorrow. 90s across the south, much of the west, and some 100s over interior sections of the Intermountain region and California. Now here's our forecast for Colorado. We're going to go with plain old sunshine out in the west. No real help for the firefighters in the southwest today. 84 to 100 the highs, 45 to 65 the lows. Now for the mountain areas today, just partly cloudy skies. Temperatures 70 to 85 degrees. Eastern Colorado, we're going to say sunshine again today. Maybe an isolated shower or thunderstorm too in the southeastern part of the state. And a little cooler today. We're going to go with highs about 80 to 95, and then tonight's lows in the 50s. Here you go. We'll show you Denver's forecast now. We're going to have a very simple forecast. Sunny today, the high about 85 degrees. Then tonight, another simple one. Clear skies, our low 57 degrees. And now we'll take you right into the first day of the weekend. We're going to stay in the 80s for a while, Wednesday and Thursday. Looks like tomorrow, just partly cloudy skies, probably no precipitation, but a chance of precipitation back Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Maybe warming up to all of 90 degrees by about Friday and Saturday. So now we're slightly on the downside, the low side of average, and trying to average things out after all those warm days earlier this month.
No kidding. And we're supposed to still have hot weather, though. Isn't this the warmest time of the year?
Yes, it is. Our average high temperature now is in the upper 80s, and that's as high as the average gets.
Okay, well, let's hope it stays there.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Steve.